What's up, guys? It's Kevin here. Today I'm going to do a video on my toolbox that I just got probably 3, maybe 4 weeks ago. It is a Tail FX. Not real familiar with those. I got a question if it locks. Yes, it does. Only on the driver's side though. Passenger side it don't. Right now it's locked. It's a really nice box. It's got the 2 little side compartments. It's got a little sliding tray. It's kind of got it packed right now. It's got the little sliding tray that slides back and forth. Let me get in here. Slides back and forth just like that. I do different jobs, so I have different things in here, the straps, ratchet straps and stuff, and just some of the things I'd use. I'd like to get a lot more. Trust me, I need more. Preferably, next thing I'd like to get is a tool set. A drill set. DeWalt preferably. But this is the toolbox on the truck. It's called a crossover box. This one is a 54-inch single lid crossover. Lock it back. But that's my short tutorial of the toolbox on my truck. If you got any comments or ideas, let me know. I want to paint it black really bad to match the details on the truck. Really want to paint it black, but I don't know. Right now I do have clear coat on it. I spray it with some Rust-Oleum clear coat to help keep it from oxidizing. But that's the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment. Thanks.